Your verdict has to be based on evidence presented in this courtroom and applying facts to law.
At 5:02 this morning, a jury has now been seated in the high-profile first date murder trial in Milwaukee. Prosecutors say 34-year-old Maxwell Anderson killed and dismembered 19-year-old Shade Robinson after the two went on a first date last year. He's pleaded not guilty to all charges. Mallory Anderson is anchoring our coverage live outside of the Milwaukee County Courthouse, and Mallory, opening statements will happen later this morning.
That's right, Jaron. The judge told all 15 jurors to be inside her courtroom by 8:45 this morning. And as with any case, we are not allowed to identify any of these jurors. But we can tell you the panel includes 12 women and 3 men. 3 will serve as alternates and all live in Milwaukee County. 12 News was inside the courtroom as the judge and attorneys selected that panel.
The state of Wisconsin bears the burden of proving to you each element of each offense beyond a reasonable doubt. That is the state of Wisconsin's burden. Do you know what the defense's burden is? Anybody? They have no burden. The defense doesn't have to do a thing.
Judge Laura Crivello and attorneys on both sides asked jurors questions about their families, backgrounds, and life experience. The state also warned them about the graphic nature of this case.
It is actually a homicide case that deals with the dismemberment of a human body.
Throughout the trial, the jury will not be sequestered, but they are banned from researching the case and from watching any news or social media coverage, which is standard in trials. With the jury seated, first thing today, prosecutors will present their opening statements, followed by the defense team. We asked 12 News legal expert Craig Mastantuono what each team could lay out in their first address to those jurors.
At this point, publicly, prosecutors have not said how they believe Shade Robinson died. Do you expect them to lay that out in their openings? If they don't, is that an open door potentially for defense attorneys to take on?
I do expect the prosecution to lay that out in opening statement. I think you'll learn a lot, at least very indicative of how their theory of that occurred. And so it would be a sign of attack for the defense to hone in on. It's a circumstantial case, as we know. And so the parties and how they tee up and introduce their evidence to the jurors will be something that'll be critical in this case.
That's legal analyst Craig Mastantuono. You can see his expert breakdown of the trial on 12 News at 6 p.m. every day of the trial.